2017 Ford Edge. What I'm trying to do is remove all this plastic here. I want to clean it. I want to get rid of it or take it out. So I'm going to show you what I've done so far. I'll go to the passenger side. So there's 7 T20 little hex screws. Take off this little cover right here. Pops loose easily. 1, 2. I'm not going to find them all. There's one in here. There's one more that goes right there. And then there's 2 or 3 in the back. So basically what my goal is to get this loose, and which I did. I want this out to clean it. So here's what it is. Slides back in. It's way more simple than I thought it was going to be. Use a couple different tools here. Manual little driver, impact, 7 little screws, 2 plastic covers. That's how you remove it. I'll show you the back real quick. You can see the 2 right there. Obviously there's a little cover that goes over top of this. There's another screw right there. So super simple. I couldn't find a video, so here's my video. Have a good day.